Hi, Michael, flowerschool101.com. I was thinking about my mother today. My mother passed away about a decade ago. And I was thinking of all the things I could have said. One of the things my mother said when I was young is she always said if she would be rich, she would have flowers every day on her table. There were two things, and that's the only thing I remember, that she would always have fresh flowers. So when I got a job in the flower business, I said, hey Ma, guess what? And my mother always had fresh flowers on her table. So I'm making this bouquet to remember her by. That's all. She's on my mind today. Her name was Patricia Gaffney. You can see her in my book. If you have my book Design Star, she's that beauty in that photograph on that table. She looked like a movie star. The technique I'm doing again is clustering. I'm putting all the like flowers in one area of my bouquet. Similar flowers. I'm going to put a lot of spray roses together right there. And I'm going to give you advice. If you have a mother and she's still alive, take the time to ask her all those questions, because, you know, growing up I saw my mother as my mother. I didn't see her all that much as the human being she had to have been and was, and now I regret not asking her all the important questions. So don't let it happen to you. We talk about all the time with my siblings, the questions we would have asked her. She raised 6 kids in a house about as big as this studio in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I miss you, Mom. I love you, Mom. Flower School 101. Keep blooming. If you're having a bad day, I just made these for you. That's for you.